Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ShibaAI token. Name of the token is ShibaAI, and that is also the ticker symbol. This is from a project called the ShibaAI Club, and it's a very well-established project in a short amount of time. Their Twitter just joined in February. I'm going to put their Twitter up right there, at ShibaAI Club. Their Twitter just joined in February 2024, and they already have 133,000 Twitter followers. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the ShibaAI Club token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, first of all, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So one way to get this token before we talk about their centralized exchange listing is you can get this token off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the DAX, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the ShibaAI token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is right on that Twitter right there. You can find it on their official webpage, ShibaAI.club. Now, you may have to set slippage. There's taxes in the tokenomics. Actually, I could check right now. I just opened up this token on DEX Tools. You can view the chart on DEX Tools. And it says that there is 0% buy and sell taxes, so you probably will not have to worry about slippage if you do buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap. This token is on BSC scan, and it says they have 69,825 holders already, doing very well. And they have the contract address on BSC scan here. They've had 124,614 transfers. And there's a max total supply of 589,534,404,000,000 and then some change. So yeah, decent amount of tokens there. And it was just announced that this token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a central exchange called BITMART. Now, it doesn't give an exact listing date yet. Just on BITMART's Twitter here, at BITMART Exchange, it says, upcoming new listing, BITMART will list ShibaAI soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements, and share in the comments what you like about this project. You can find this post on BITMART's Twitter, and you can also follow their Twitter right there, ShibaAI Club. So very soon they will announce basically when this project is going to be listed on BITMART, and then you'll be able to basically fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask, download BITMART from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section on BITMART when it gets listed, and search ShibaAI, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it looks like this token is available on a whole bunch of different listing sites, so I just found it on BSC Scan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, I mean, it's a very well-established project, like I mentioned, with a lot of holders already. But you can also find it on, let's see here, Top 100 Token, CoinGecko, and Live CoinWatch. So it says token price right now is about 7.1 cents per token. Trading volume right now, $328,000. So, and then just looking at listings here, it just says PancakeSwap as of now. Doesn't give any other information besides that. And yeah, and let's check this site here. So no, nothing really on there. CoinGecko always wants me to verify that I'm a human, like I'm some kind of bot, just, you know, looking up token prices for fun. All right, okay, there we go. And yeah, so you can find this token listed on a few different listing sites there. Now it says ShibaAI, where memes meet utility in the crypto space. Laugh, hodl, repeat. ShibaAI, the future of meme coins. 87 tweets so far, and they just joined in February, so they're pretty active on their Twitter. Their newest listing is that their newest tweet is that BITMART listing, so you can find it on there. So they just tweeted out 3 hours ago, Trump Pepe, just listed on BITMART, gained over 50,000% in a very small community. It's meme coins session, boys, and it definitely is. If you've been following this channel, lots of Solana meme coins especially are going crazy, but this one, I mean, 69,000 holders, all that type of stuff. So it says, now stable since long around 32,000% up. How much do you think ShibaAI can do with 130K plus community? And so we'll see here. And yeah, so they just got this BITMART listing. Most of their newest tweets are about this BITMART listing here. But they have a decent market cap for sure here. So they are on, they do have a full white paper listed on CoinGecko as well that you could check out. They have their webpage there on CoinGecko. Their socials, BSC scan and BitMarT. And yeah, so yeah, just PancakeSwap it says as of now. So this seems to be like their very first listing period there. And on DEX Tools, it says their market cap is $4.33 million. They have liquidity here, $239.8 thousand in locked liquidity on PancakeSwap. And it does say it's locked in Unicrypt there. Yeah, big 24-hour trading volume. We went over that already. Total supply of the tokens right now is 280.67 trillion tokens. And yeah, so they have a quick audit. Let's go over that here, make sure the security is good. It looks like there's no alerts on their quick audit. So Token Sniffer, GoPlus Security, Honeypot, and Quick Intel say contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract. And yeah, no hidden owner. Just basically everything is all checked off all the way down. So that's good. Keep in mind, those are just quick audits. Those are not full audits, and you should always do your own research first before investing in any tokens, of course. But yeah, you can find their full white paper on their webpage and on CoinMarketCap. Elon's favorite doges love ShibaAI. ShibaAI is the best. ShibaAI is loading up for the big pump. First, our target is to reach $50 million market cap before the next stage, which is $100 million market cap. Are you buying ShibaAI today? Comment below. So anyways, follow their socials to find out when ShibaAI will be listed on BitMart. But basically, you know, meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain, ton of holders already. And they're just getting their first central exchange listing. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this meme coin, ShibaAI? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.